Carbon offsets, while North America is just getting into carbon and emission reduction and offsets, Europe has been doing it for tens of years. In 2009, $143 billion US was traded in carbon offsets. So this isn't new, it's just that North America is moving into it. So because it's so regulated, because there is so much requirement for paper and auditable information, then we as a cooperative have that infrastructure and are able to do that. So we can allow all sizes of businesses to the opportunity to come with their emission reductions. The incentive is there. They have the ability to be able to stand up and show validated emission reductions that they're doing for the atmosphere, and you as operators should feel the pride in that you are reducing the emissions for your grandchildren.